little artist? Today we're going to draw something super fun, a cozy little tree house. Yes, your very own hideout in the trees. How exciting is that? So grab your pencils and colors and let's get started. First, let's begin with the roof. Draw a triangle for the front. Then extend the top and one side to make the roof of our tree house. Next, let's draw the walls. The front wall with a cute little door and the side wall with a window. Don't forget to add some lines on the roof to make it look like real wooden planks. Now draw a small door and a window. Looks cozy already, doesn't it? Let's add a deck around the house so we can walk around outside. And of course, every tree house needs a ladder to climb up. Wow, the house outline is ready. But wait, where's the tree? Let's draw a thick tree trunk under the house. Then complete the tree by adding big leafy branches around it. And guess what? Our treehouse also has a hanging tire swing. How fun is that? Now comes the best part, coloring time. Use dark brown for the roof. And a lighter brown for the walls. Make the tree trunk and branches dark brown. Use a mix of dark green and light green for the leaves to make them look alive and fresh. Let's also draw 2 little lamps near our treehouse. Now give this treehouse a black outline. Now grab your yellow. Let's light up the lamps. Woohoo! They're glowing like golden stars around our treehouse. Finish the ladder and railings with light brown. And don't forget to color the hanging tire black. But wait, do you want to make it even more beautiful? Let's add some colorful flags hanging across the tree. Wow, now our treehouse looks so cheerful and festive. And there you go, little artists, your beautiful cozy treehouse is ready. Doesn't it look like the perfect place to read your favorite book or play with friends? That's it for today's drawing adventure. See you next time, my friends. Until then, take care and keep creating. Bye-bye.